Hello, my name is Ludwig. I am the owner of a natural farm and educational center. So my passion for being here and growing all the plants come from my early childhood. I grew up in northern France and all my neighbors were growing vegetables or all kinds of plants. So we do not use any chemicals on the property. No pesticides, no insecticide, and no herbicide. We started this project 6 years ago, and what we mostly do here is we educate people on how to grow their own fruits by using natural techniques, permaculture techniques, and we supply a wide assortment of fruit trees and edible ginger. Florida is a perfect environment for growing tropical and non-tropical fruit trees, so that's kind of why I'm here. So several times a year, mostly in the spring and in the fall, we organize free classes to go over techniques on how to prune mangoes, how to prune peach trees, how to create a little permaculture area and be able to grow different edible plants. We're always open for questions and offer free consulting on how to grow their own food at home. So thanks again.